What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a mini Busta-Bust. This one's a mini Busta-Bust because, well, we shot a full Busta-Bust on the Osmo Mobile 2 and it ended up being out of focus. It was all Chad's fault. We still get you that content, we still get you that information if it's Busta-Bust or not. So this Osmo Mobile 2, well, let me just get straight to the point. It was garbage. We ended up returning it like right away, right after we got done with the whole testing phase of what we go through. Quick thoughts about the Osmo Mobile 2. Battery life is good. The claims are correct. I believe 15 hours. Felt really cheap. Felt garbagey. I felt like you could tell it like felt Busta-Bust, man. You know what I'm saying? Like what was the comparison we made it to?
I don't know. Like it just made your hands like feel like dry.
Oh yeah, made your hands feel like you needed a lotion after you used that sucker. It's like spring-loaded phone holder, so that compared to what the Osmo Mobile 1 had, it was just garbage, I thought. There was no phone sensor in this one, so if you turned it on without a phone sensor, it's like gonna mess up the motors or whatever. It just felt like if I dropped it once, it would break completely. Like even if I dropped it from here, it would break. There was no trigger. Like when I found out like there was no trigger to like do all that stuff, I was like, yo, immediately we're sending this thing back. Osmo Mobile 1, the trigger was nice, it was there. Osmo Mobile 2, you gotta press the button for the mode, but like that gave vibrations and stuff like that, and it just like, not a big fan at all. There is a zoom function, but on the zoom function you need to be on the app, so I don't use the app because the app is garbage anyways. Osmo Mobile 1 came down in price to $200 as of the making of this video. Osmo Mobile 2 is at about $129, I believe, or $139. So I ended up coming with the verdict of it's good for beginning filmmakers, beginning iPhone videographers, you know, people who just need a gimbal. But if you got the extra little bit of cash, I'd recommend splurging on the Osmo Mobile 1. Great build quality, you're not gonna regret it. Came with a nice case too. But the Osmo Mobile 2 came with like a foam box thing, and it was just like horrible. I didn't even like it. We ended up giving it a 5, I wanna say. It was like literally on the border. Like, if it wasn't for the price point, I would have gave it like a 2, to be honest. The only thing I could say the Osmo Mobile 2 has over the Osmo Mobile 1 is the battery life. That's the only thing I'd say. But then again, I'm not going to be using my Osmo Mobile for 15 hours straight. I'll just charge it at night. Also, the battery's not interchangeable, so that's the downside. But then again, it is 15 hours. The other feature about the Osmo Mobile 2 is the fact that you have vertical mode for you Instagram fanatics. If you're live streaming on Instagram, it's really nice. But we don't really live stream that much. But when we get into it, I think we're just gonna have our own personal DSLR or something like that we're gonna be doing. I mean, I got Chad to, video me, so.
Yo, I'm a great filmer.
Sorry we couldn't get you guys the full review of the Osmo Mobile 2. There really wasn't much that you guys are missing out on. A lot of the things were basic. But yeah, I would say don't buy it. Save it for the Osmo Mobile 1 unless battery life is an extreme issue for you.
Yeah.
And if you guys want the Instagram flip feature. Other than that, have a good day, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I forgot about the Instagram. If you guys haven't already, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. We didn't even use stuff. I would say Snapchat, but RIP Snapchat, you already know. Instagram's always popping, you already know. We always on fire, just like me. I spit these bars. If you guys like this video, comment down below what you guys thought. Leave a like. I really appreciate you guys. Subscribe, click that notification bell so you guys get our stuff. Other than that, also comment down below what you guys think about the whole new lens and the whole new stu setup. If you guys want to see the new studio tour that we have, link right here. Yeah. If you guys want to see the review of the Osmo Mobile 1, check it out right over that way. Yeah. We just got a brand new stabilizer for our GH5 right now. Review coming soon. We just filmed the impressions of it. It was really complicated, but if it's already out, I'll link it right over here. But if it's not, stay tuned. It'll be coming soon. Ooh, bars.
Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, have a great day, ladies and gentlemen. I love you guys.